Hello, my name is Linda Perez, and today I'm going to be doing a demonstration on how to use the program Grammarly. It's a free writing assistant. I, as a new student, like to use this program, the Grammarly, which can be found on Grammarly.com. It is a program that helps you with grammar. If you're writing an essay or doing a discussion on board, a blog, email, or Facebook, this is a program, a good program that can help you with your grammar. I know that sometimes we come quickly and start typing, and sometimes there can be some grammar that needs to be fixed. But I'm going to show you how to retrieve documents onto the Grammarly program. And so let's get started. Okay, so first you're going to pick out your document that you want to edit in Grammarly. I am going to pick one that I was working on in one of my speech classes, and I am picking the Reflections Introduction to Speech. This is the speech that I want to get checked, get edit to make sure that there's any corrections that need to be made. And what I do is once I have my document, I am going to get the Grammarly so I can pick it, so I can upload it into the Grammarly. Okay, so I have gone to Grammarly.com and it's going to bring you to this page, and pretty much this is free. You can upgrade to a Pro Grammarly, which helps you a lot more with it. That's the one that I have, and it has been very helpful to check grammar and spelling. It just makes it so much easier for the person to check those mistakes that have been made during the writing. So I have put my email and my password in there, and I am going to log in to Grammarly. And I have all these other documents that I have already put in Grammarly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Upload, and it's going to go to your files that you want to upload, and you just pick whichever one that you want to do. In this case, we are going to do the speech. Okay, so here it shows the document that I have here that I have picked out, the Reflections Introduction speech. If you see here, it'll tell you like repetitive words, with which ones like feel, it's been repetitive speech. Here I have where I could use, instead of also, I could use a comma, but, and it'll show you, actually it's right here, speech. It'll show you where you can go. And you just click on it and it would automatically correct it for you. Also the speech, it would give you like other words you could use, like address or statement, and you could just change whichever one is appropriate for that sentence, and it just kind of gives you more options on there. If you choose to leave that word speech, you could just click ignore and it'll ignore, and then it will go on to the rest, just clicking on it. If you look down to the bottom here, let me page down. At the bottom of the page, you can't really see it here. It has a score of 80. It's in green, and it pretty much tells you like where you're at right now with your paper. Your score that you want to get is 100. Once I fix all these suggested mistakes that I've made, your grade will continue going up, and every time you make a change, it'll continue checking it. And sometimes it'll have like for critical issues or advanced issues. Even has like incorrect noun form. So it's a very good program for you to use. I know that I have been out of school for almost 15 years, and this really came in handy to use this program. And then once you're done with it, you could just save this program. and it'll automatically go into your uh, it'll automatically be on here, and you can just download it back into your computer. Okay, so the document has been downloaded, and if you click up here in the arrow, the document's right there, and it'll be saved under the same title that you have given it, but this time it's going to be .edited.com doc. I'm sorry, and here is the speech that I was working on. It will show you to the right of it the changes that you have made to it. Um, so like I said, it's a really good program. It really helps out with my grammar. Also, some words maybe that I have misspelled. Sometimes even it'll try to correct affect and effect. Sometimes we can mistakenly write the wrong word down, so it'll help you with that too. I think it's a great program. I really enjoy using it. I have used it since I started school. So hopefully this will be something that you would consider using, this Grammarly, and just it's a really good program. And so thank you for watching, and I hope that this has been helpful to you. Thank you.